When installing the Davey PowerMaster Eco, remember it's a self-priming pump, but that doesn't mean that you don't need to prime it at all. It simply means you don't need to prime the suction line or have a non-return valve, check valve, in the suction side. You will still need to prime the front of the pump. You can do so with a garden hose or a bucket of water. Simply make sure that the front of the pump is adequately primed. Then you can put the lid on and get the pump running. And you'll notice with the Davey PowerMaster Eco, when you turn on the power, it'll prime on high speed for your preset priming time. The Davey PowerMaster Eco comes during installation with 50 or 40mm union tails for both the discharge and the suction side of the pump. In this particular application I'm plumbing into 50mm pipe, so I've used the 50mm tails, which of course means I'm left with 40mm tails left over. The PowerMaster Eco can withstand a fantastic high ambient temperature rating of 55 degrees Celsius, a lot higher than a lot of imported cheaper pumps. When you're installing the PowerMaster Eco, be mindful when you have the pump running on low flow or eco flow, because you can slow the pump right down. But other pieces of equipment that the pump is actually matched to, like for example a saltwater chlorinator, they may require a minimum flow rate of, say, for example, 60 litres a minute. So just be careful when you're plumbing it into other pieces of equipment.